The Fool's journey to self-discovery. The experiences that he encounters, the people along his pathway. The Fool has no fear. He accepts what is on offer. He knows that every ending opens up a brand new beginning. His first encounter is the Magician. The Magician has all the tools to accomplish anything. He is the master of all four elements of the physical world, of fire, earth, water, and air. The Fool appreciates all that is on offer. He knows that he can create anything he wants. He encounters the High Priestess, the connectedness to all things. He knows that this is where we strive to be, complete balance and wholeness. The Fool knows there is no words needed, because he knows that all his answers are within. The Empress, the mother, the giver of knowledge and creativity. The Fool knows how important it is to be loved and to give love. He knows everyone needs love and attention. The Emperor, the father figure, strength, stability and structure. The Fool realizes how important it is to lead, to stand strong and to build solid, strong foundations. In his next stage of development, he will encounter the Hierophant, the teacher, the authority figure. The Fool listens to his wise words. The Fool knows he needs to make his own choices and to have his own beliefs. By the time the Fool reaches adolescence, his priorities change. Relationships become his focus. The lovers. He has new feelings. Will this be his soulmate? Are these two destined to be together? The Fool will be faced with choices. The Chariot is the next stage of development, moving out into the world, taking control of those choices with determination. The Fool does not want to lose sight of his goal. He is in control of his life, and he is going after his dreams. The Fool encounters the Strength card. He is now at a stage in his life where he's thinking about how he could have done things differently, reacting differently to things that are happening around him. Is it a time for him to be gentle? Is patience needed? By the time the Fool meets the Hermit, he acknowledges that there's more to life. It is an awakening for the Fool. He knows he's on the right path. He spends a lot of time in quiet solitude. He has been through so many stages, so many experiences and struggles. The light within him is now shining. But at any moment, things can change. The Wheel of Fortune brings new experiences, both good and bad. The Fool sets his intentions knowing that what you reap you sow. He knows he needs to take some risks to make things happen. He is feeling off-balanced, but is saved by justice, the scales of balance. He now knows he must pay equal attention to his spiritual and physical self. He awakens upside down on a tree, the Hanged Man. All of the life experiences that he has had to date, they fall from his pouch. He feels lighter. He surrenders all that he is. He now has a new perspective. After sacrificing his whole world, the Fool encounters death. And this is where the transformation starts. The Death card reveals magic, new transformations and new beginnings. The next step on his journey will be Temperance, the healing angel. He will give him the gift of balance and patience, giving him unity between the physical and spiritual worlds. Next, he will encounter the devil. What will the temptation be? The obsession. What must the Fool do to move on? But the Fool knows that he can break free at any time. He is in control of his own life. He is in control of his choices. The devil has offered him great power, the key to freedom. His next encounter would be the Tower, signifying a life-changing event. The key here is the Fool knows that the foundations that he had built were going to crumble anyway. He had made mistakes early in his life, but he is now ready to rebuild those. The star offers him the focus to make his dreams come true, and he knows he must remain focused. Set his intentions on what it is he truly wants and what will make him happy. And as he sits waiting, the moon shines brightly at his feet. He has time to contemplate his shadow side, the duality of himself. The moon will guide him going forward. He thinks again about the High Priestess and his own intuition. By morning the sun breaks, a new beginning, a new day. He is more equipped now through all these experiences of life. He is re-energized. He is aware of his own inner light. He is happy with who he is. The Fool has one final step, that of judgment, to face all that has been and to let go of the past. The past will always be a part of him, but he can face it. All the memories, they were once upon a time, but they are not now. He is new. He is ready to live in the now. At the turning of the wheel, a new beginning awaits him. He is ready, totally balanced in mind, body and spirit. He is at one with himself. He is dancing the dance of life. His journey is complete.